Oh, what's up, guys? It's simply AMLK, except without the A and without the M, because we're missing Arissa and Moises because it's currently 3 a.m. and they're most likely asleep. So, we're playing this game called The Button, and it's Lucy and Kinsey. So, basically, I saw this game off TikTok, and we decided we want to play it. So let's go, hurry. 5 seconds, come on.
Oh, I'm going.
Okay, so apparently there's going to be like random events, and then you have to survive the events.
Yeah.
So it seems pretty cool, but I don't know.
I don't like the people list. Please don't
Fish.
push the button. Oh, okay, stop punching me.
I shouldn't attack them. I lost health for punching you.
Oh.
An event will occur each time the button is pressed. Yeah. Survive as long as you can. There will only be one winner.
I have a feeling I'm gonna immediately die.
Let the experiment begin.
Don't touch the button.
So the buttons were pressed. To start things off, let's begin with a lighter event.
I don't like how that eye up there is always watching.
Marked. Mayhem, outbreak, breach, outbreak, mayhem. Outbreak. Breach.
Oh, Lucy, you take fall damage.
Lug or nah. Gamble.
I want to gamble.
Yeah, I want to gamble too. Yes, it's a gamble. Whoever presses the button will either be rewarded or terminated.
Ooh,
Okay, I'm not clicking that, bro.
You should click it. I hope you get terminated.
No.
Click it. Ooh, he touched it. Is he gonna get rewarded?
Ooh. Congratulations.
Fuck.
You won and will now be rewarded with a very useful item.
Fuck. That was supposed to be me. He's a hammer.
No participants were terminated.
He has a hammer.
Yo. Click.
I'm tired.
Outbreak, minefield, blackout, gamble, minefield. I want minefield. Sacrifice, juggernaut, minefield.
Low-key
Outbreak.
minefield.
I low-key want. Yeah. Oh no, I don't want outbreak. No. No.
Oh, get away from me, sir.
I'm just gonna get away from everybody. Come on. Okay. Oh no. You can still see the eye. Oh no, I just took fall damage. Oh my god. Oh my
It's a
god.
zombie.
No, no, no.
Oh my god, there's zombies.
No, 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 I'm actually gonna die. No, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die.
Dude, it's zombies. This is an insane way to go out. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god.
Oh, that's a zombie. I thought that was a person.
Oh my god, I'm gonna die. Oh my god,
Oh
no,
my
no,
gosh.
no. No, no, no. Oh, oh my god, I'm gonna die. Oh my god,
Can
there's
we
so
fight
many.
back?
There's so many. There's so many.
Can we fight back?
No, Kinsey, help. Mackenzie, help me. Help
It's
me.
me.
No. No, Kinsey, revive me. Kinsey, revive me.
I can't.
Revive me. Bro,
I
I'm
can't.
literally being murdered while
That's
I'm
why I can't
awaiting
revive
revival. Get away from me, you fat ass.
Dude.
You actual bitch.
That's not a nice word to call people.
I don't care. I just got murdered, bro.
It's
Oh,
not
I'm
my
a
fault.
ghost. Bro, I literally survived one of it. It's not even funny. Did you die too?
No.
You can hide in the things? Yo, people are being shot. Oh, they killed all. Now you show up once I'm dead. Huh.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, there's zombies up here.
They're killing the zombies. It's fine. Oh god, there were so many. There was literally no way to survive that. Wish it would show who's dead. It's only like 3 people, bro.
Are we done?
Yup, you can come out. Can you see me? Question mark. I'm down in the middle.
No.
Aw, it's because I'm a ghost.
Yeah, that sucks. You
I
just
was
shouldn't
a
have died.
ghost. I literally don't care. From this point onward, combat is authorized around the button. I suggest you act with caution. I wish I could press the button. Yo, wait, can I press the button?
No.
No, oh man. Can I emote? I have no emotes. Do I have my own? No, okay. I can't even type /e to answer chat.
Minefield, please.
Kinsey, hi. Hi, Kinsey.
Minefield.
Hello. I'm backshotting you.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am. With my massive ghost stick. If the Juggernaut fails to terminate enough subjects, they will be eliminated. One among you will rise, the rest will fall. Oof. Sucks to suck. Are you the Juggernaut? No? Oh, I think this guy down here is the Juggernaut, Loki. He's running up after everybody. I'm just in the middle. I literally see nothing going on.
I don't care. I'm just trying not to get eliminated.
Oh, yo, this guy got a machine gun.
Maybe because he's the Juggernaut. That would be crazy. He has a machine gun and he's not the Juggernaut.
Bro, get out. I'm gonna come find you.
No.
Is this you? Are you in here, twin?
No.
Is this you? Oh. Are you in here, twin?
No.
Are you in here, twin? Yo, I see you, twin.
No.
I'm coming for you. Congratulations on making it this far.
Congratulations on your new improvement.
You have proven yourself the most elite participants. Make your way to the final area so that the finale can begin. I'm backshotting you right now. Yeah. Oh, where'd you go?
We're going to the final area.
Oh. I have no sprint.
Save a lottie, bro. Save a lottie. There's only 5 of us?
This game is low-key cool. Well, yeah, it's the finale.
Bro, I feel like the only
There's
girl
no other
here.
ghost people here.
Maybe because everyone else left after they died. Oh,
Yeah, I
there's
guess.
8 of us.
Oh, yeah. You're gonna exit right now, Kinsey? Right now?
Yes.
Right now? From this point onward, the rules have changed. The only thing between you and victory are the other participants you see now. With that, let the experiment continue. With my friends all scattered to the wind, Lawrence is in South... Sorry.
No, we're gonna get copyrighted.
No, we're not. We're not gonna get copyrighted. It's fine. Button.
I hope he gets terminated.
An event will now be selected.
Dang it.
Extinction, flicker, gulag, final standing, gulag, extinction, flicker, flicker.
Oh.
Flicker has been chosen, I believe. Yep. This is a game of tag. If the seeker tags you, you will be eliminated. Okay. You better hide, Kinsey. Like right now, go hide. I suggest you spread out. The tagger will now be chosen.
If I'm the tagger, bro.
I'm gonna go find you. Actually, I'm just spectating the game. Oh, that's the tagger. The guy that's red, I think. Never mind, I don't know who the tagger is. You better run, Kinsey. The following participants were terminated. What? I'm already dead. Pepe, Mishi, Silio, Yippee. These people are already dead. Federico Lori 05. On a random. Matito. We were all already dead, by the way.
I know.
Literally one person, I think, died. Or literally none, I think.
No, one person died.
An event will now be selected.
This game's actually low-key fun.
Yeah, if I was alive. Extinction. I want it to be Extinction.
I
or
want
Final
Stand.
Stand. Yeah.
Oof.
It's
Nope.
the final. Project Alpha has arrived. The most elite squad of mercenaries.
Hey guys.
I suggest you work together. They won't stop until you're all dead.
Hey.
Fight with your fists, Kinsey. I see you. So you're probably gonna come out of that door.
Say
Oh,
hello.
there's only 3 of them. You guys got this, except you're probably gonna be shot, so lock in. Kinsey,
No.
punch him.
No, I can't.
Punch
I
him.
can't.
Punch
Someone
him.
work with me.
Punch him.
Help me.
Punch him. Or her, maybe? If it's a girl,
Oh my God,
she a
back
baddie.
back the fuck up.
Start running.
Back the fuck
You
up.
might as well start running, because you're gonna
I'm
die.
running.
You might as well run faster. Reaper, I'm far from done. What'd she say? Operative, I can hear your heartbeat. You're gonna die, Kinsey. It's fine, I'll block her for you.
Thanks, you're doing a lot.
I know. She can hear your heart. Oh, your heartbeat faded. She couldn't hear your heartbeat. You're probably all gonna die, Loki. Good hit. Do it again. Sustaining damage. He's the only guy with a weapon besides his fists. The guy with the hammer. Good hit. Do it again. Let me go look over here.
Oh, lovely. He just threw me off the cliff.
Who?
Really needed that.
One of the actual
the guy
players.
with teal hair.
There's no guy with teal hair.
Yeah, I'm just waiting to see who wins. Specialist, curse you.
Curse you.
Is he gonna throw him off the cliff? I want to see the teal-haired guy get down because, yeah.
He really wants people dead.
The teal-haired guy threw me off the cliff.
What teal
But
haired
he
guy?
did that. The guy with teal in his hair.
His hair's white.
No, this guy with the bandana.
Oh. I'll tear you apart. Bro's giving Darth Vader.
My bad. He kind of does
Ow.
look like Darth. Oh, I just went to the lobby. Well, everyone, thank you for watching.
Anyways, we were just like
Today's
checking this game
gameplay.
out, and it seems pretty cool. So we might play it again with our friends in a future video. But this game seemed pretty cool. So anyway, bye.
Like and sub.
Bye. Make sure you like and subscribe.